What's up, online shoppers? I have a great little tool right here. This Scotts Wizz Spreader really is a tool that you can use all year round. What this does is 2,500 square feet of grass or concrete for application of seeds, fertilizer, salt, ice melt, you name it, this is going to do the job for you. And you don't have to crank your hand with anything because it's actually battery operated. It takes a couple AA batteries and it even ships with the AA batteries. So you don't have to go out and buy anything. This really is a tool that you can use year round. Of course, grass seed for early spring or fall. You can put your fertilizer in here. You can use this for your weed and feed. You can use this to apply salt or sand or ice melt in the wintertime to keep your pathways and your driveways less slippery. Let's take a look at how it's put together. First of all, it's battery operated and it already comes loaded with the AA batteries you need to operate it. It's got a nice little cover here that is protected by screws, so you're not going to have your batteries falling out all over your lawn. You actually have to take a screw to it to open the back. This here, it's got a really comfortable handle right here, and there's even some rubber grips on this side to make it easier and more comfortable for you to hold. I really like how it fits in my hand. It's not really heavy, although when you put the particulate in here to spread, whether it's sand, salt, fertilizer, weed and feed, whatever, it is going to get a little bit heavier. But you could truthfully just stand like this and spread it with your arm extended. You didn't have to actually bend your arm to support it. Now it has a dial at the front here to let you choose the size of opening inside. So the larger the particulate you have to spread, the larger the opening. When you turn this dial here, like this, it will change the size of the opening right in here. The more you turn it, the bigger the opening gets, the more room you have for the particulate to get put out through the spreader. This is your locking mechanism here. When you lock it, it doesn't actually turn on, but you can unlock it and you can hear it in operation. It has a great little paddle right here that spins to help distribute all of the particulate that's in your container here. It actually takes 4 AA batteries to power this, and if you get rechargeable batteries, you're not going to be putting a lot of money into buying extra batteries. This has a 5-foot broadcast range, and this also has this really cool patented edge guard that Scotts has on a lot of their products. This here is a little lip that actually can be adjusted that will control the flow of the particulate out of the spreader. So the more narrow you squeeze this in, the more narrow the spray of particulate is dispersed from the spreader. The other cool thing about this EdgeGuard technology here is that you can control where the spray of the particulate goes and avoid putting the sand or the ice melt onto your lawn, or you can also use it to avoid putting the grass seed and fertilizer onto your patio or walkways. That's a really nice option. Now, when the lock is depressed, it doesn't matter how hard you squeeze this handle, it's not going to turn on. That's a nice safety feature that it has. And when you turn the lock off like that, you can operate it. That's a nice feature as well. Now I'm just going to squeeze the handle and you can see the little paddle in here. That agitator or paddle helps to keep the particulate from clumping and helps it to go through the opening in the base of the spreader really easily. I love this spreader because it's battery operated. I don't have to crank to disperse all of the particulates that is in here, whether or not it's fertilizer, grass seed, salt, sand, or ice melt. I love the convenience of just being able to squeeze the handle and it does all the work for me. You can see the paddle spinning in here like that. The bulk of the machine is made of plastic, and weight-wise, without anything in it, it weighs about 2.1 pounds. So it is going to be a little bit heavier when you load it up. But the beautiful thing is this is going to do 2,500 square feet before you need to refill to do a second application. This Scotts Wizz battery-operated powered spreader is really great. I'm so happy I've added it to my arsenal of lawn care tools. It's great for grass seed. It's great for fertilizer, for weed and feed. It also works really well in the wintertime for sand, for ice melt, or for salt applications to keep your driveway and your patios and your walkways free from ice. I haven't had a chance to put this in operation yet, but I definitely think that this is going to be a family favorite at our house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.